Hey guys, your girl Bella, how are you? Hope everyone is doing well. Now in today's video, I wanted to talk about two credit card benefits that I think are kind of not focused on a lot, and those are purchase protection and extended warranty. Now, if you're not familiar with what those are, let's go over that quickly. Now, purchase protection covers an item that you purchase on your credit card anywhere from 90 to 120 days from purchase. Now, it protects you against theft, loss, and or damage. And then extended warranty it actually extends the coverage of the original manufacturer's warranty. Now, why is this important? These are just great protections that you get from your credit card company that really can come in handy in certain unfortunate circumstances. I will give you some examples of where I've used this myself. Now, let's see. Extended warranty. I had purchased these beautiful Ugg boots, I think in 2015, I believe. And then in 2017, I went to put them on one day and this happened. The shoe totally ripped. I was totally bummed, and because it was past the 1 year mark, UGG obviously would not, the UGG Boots company obviously was not going to do anything for me. So luckily I purchased these on my American Express Platinum card. So I filed my claim through American Express. I told them that the item was damaged. I actually had to send them pictures of the rip and the tear. And I sent them a copy of my original receipt because I purchased these from Nordstrom. And within 2 to 3 business days, they gave me a credit on my credit card to reimburse me for the purchase price of these shoes. So that was awesome because then I was able to go back and buy another pair of boots, which I did in black. And so that for me was a win-win. Now, if I had purchased this on my debit card or I had used cash, I would have just been out of luck, right? So that was pretty awesome. Then as far as purchase protection, I used this, I want to say about 2 years ago in 2017. I went on vacation to Connecticut, and I unfortunately had dropped my cell phone in the river while taking a Snapchat video. Now, I had just purchased the cell phone about 2 months before this trip, and when I purchased it, I used the my Amex Platinum to pay the deposit. Because I am doing what we all seem to be doing, is paying deposits on these overly priced cell phones and making monthly payments. So I filed the claim through American Express, and they ended up reimbursing me the deposit that I had paid on the phone. Now, if I had paid for the entire phone on my Platinum, I would have been reimbursed for the entire purchase price. So going forward, I'm not doing any more payment plans on cell phones. I plan to buy this cell phone outright. Not sure if I will use an American Express card or a Chase card or a different card, but I will definitely be buying my phone in full and putting it on a credit card to get that extra layer of protection. Because yes, I do have insurance through my cell phone carrier, right? But then you have to pay that deductible, and that's just extra money that I wouldn't have to spend. So these are two examples of where I have used purchase protection and extended warranty by filing a claim through my credit card company, which is really a great benefit and just gives you the extra security for the purchases that you make on your credit card. Now, I know credit cards are looked upon as bad, and they can be if you allow yourself to get into debt. But if you can use them responsibly, you can definitely use them as tools and take advantage of the perks and benefits that a lot of these credit card companies do offer. Now, I know in my example, I did reference an American Express, but obviously Chase, Citibank, etc., they all have their own, or most of them have their own form of purchase protection and extended warranty coverage. They just have their own terms and conditions, etc. So I'll put links below to the different websites so you can take a look. I know for me personally, American Express and Chase are my two preferred banks when it comes to this type of coverage. They make the claims process very easy. American Express will give you a credit on your credit card, whereas Chase normally cuts you a check. So it just depends on what your personal preferences are, but it's definitely great having this kind of coverage. All right, guys, so if you have any questions, make sure to comment below, hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe. All right, guys, talk to you soon. Bye.